When working with your first grader at home in math, it's important that you use the same vocabulary that we use here at school. For example, in the addition fact, 5 plus 2 equals 7, 5 and 2 are called add-ins, and the answer is called the sum.
In first grade, one of the favorite tools we teach the students to use is the number line. The number line is a great visual tool when a child is learning how to add or subtract. For example, let's say a child is trying to solve 8 plus 2 equals blank. We teach the children to begin on the 8, circle the 8 on the number line, and we talk about how we are going to hop or jump forward, because as we're adding, the answer is going to get bigger. So we start on the 8, we're going to hop or jump 2 times and find out that our answer, or the sum, is 10. When subtracting, we use the number line in a similar way. If we were talking about the subtraction problem, 11 take away 2 equals blank. Again, we'd have the students identify or find the 11 on the number line, and we would teach them and talk about that when we're subtracting, we are going to actually go backwards on the number line because our answer is going to be smaller. We're taking away. So we're going to start on the 11 and hop backwards 2 times, and our answer, or the difference, is going to be 9. The number line is a good visual for this to teach the kids that when adding, our answer gets bigger, therefore we go forward, and when subtracting, our answer is going to get smaller, therefore we go backwards.
One of our more complicated tools that we use in first grade is a 100 chart. Most time now you will see a 120 chart because as a first grade standard, students are to know their numbers to 120. So let's say that we are adding on our 100 chart. One of the skills that we do is just practice finding the numbers. If we want to add one more or one less, we'd first identify the number. So let's say we're adding 34 plus one more. We ask our students to first identify the number 34 on their 100 chart, and that they would use this tool to know that one more would be 35 and one less would be 33. Another skill that we practice is finding 10 more and 10 less. Again, we want our students to find the number on the chart. So let's say we're starting off with the number 58. Since our 100 chart is in rows of 10, I know that 10 more than 58, my tens is going to change. So 10 more than 58 is 68. We teach our children to go down one row. If I'm finding 10 less than 58, I'm going to go up one row to 48.
The last strategy we're going to talk to you about is how we use doubles and doubles plus 1 to help us with more difficult math.
So addition fluency is a challenging struggle that we face with in first grade. So we ask our students to memorize their doubles facts. An example of a doubles facts is 4 plus 4 equals 8. Another example would be 6 plus 6 equals 12. When we memorize these doubles facts, we can solve harder addition facts. So, if I know that 6 plus 6 equals 12, then it can help me solve a more challenging problem, like 6 plus 7. If I know that 6 plus 6 is 12, then 6 plus 7 is just going to be one more, 13. Let me give you one more example today. If I know that 5 plus 5 is 10, then 5 plus 4 is going to be one less, which is 9. So again, we're just using those doubles facts that we've memorized to help us solve with one more and one less than the double.